Hello, today we're going to look at the next task in our Understanding Money module, which is on standard deductions from earned income. So that is tax and national insurance, which will be deducted by your employer on behalf of the government, or that you would have to pay through self-assessment if you were self-employed. So there are some allowances, so you don't have to pay on every pound you earn. So for this tax year, the standard allowance is £12,500 for tax, and for national insurance, you pay national insurance contributions if you earn over £183 per week. Well, like the capital gains tax from the last unit we did, income tax is broken down into bands, and there's two bands for the national insurance as well. So in your workbook, in task 2, activity 1, there's a table. You're going to have to add some rows because recently the government have changed the structure of the bands. So there are now more bands than there were before, paying different rates. The purpose of that was to shift some of the burden of paying tax from those who were less well off to those who are more well off and who are more likely to be able to afford it. Okay, so pause the video just now and copy that into your book. Okay, the national insurance. Here are your national insurance bands. So if you earn between £183 and £962 a week, then you pay 12%. That is the monthly equivalent, and anything over that you pay 2%. Okay. So I'm going to refer to that £793 times 12 as your personal allowance of £9,516. So effectively that is free of national insurance contributions. Okay. So let's put this into practice. How much income tax will Jenna pay each year if she earns £15,000 per year? So this is income tax rather than national insurance. So salary is £15,000. She has a tax-free allowance of £12,500. She'll pay pay 19% on £2,085, which is the starter rate. And then she'll have £415, which will have ticked across into the basic rate tax of 20%. So we'll have to do two calculations. 19% of that 2,085, so £396.15, and 20% of £415, which is £83. So the total tax is going to be those two added together, £479.15. Okay. How much is she going to have to pay in national insurance? Still earning £15,000. She has an allowance of £9,516, which doesn't have to pay anything on, which leaves £5,484 she's going to have to pay 12% of, which comes out at £658.08. Okay, so if Jenna was earning £27,500, how much is she going to have to pay each month? So we'll work out the annual figure and then divide it by 12. So the 27,500 still has the same allowance, £2,000 in the 19% bracket. There's £10,573 in the 20% band, and then £2,342 in the 21% intermediate band. So with three calculations this time. We add all those together to get a total tax of £3,002.57 per year. But the question has asked us for it per month, so we have to divide it by 12. So £250.21 is her monthly income tax. And then now we'll do the national insurance in the same way. 27,500. She has an allowance, and then she's going to have to pay 12% on £17,984, which is £2,158.08, divided by 12, £179.84 per month. Okay, Ross has got himself a job earning £54,000 a year. So this one's going to be a bit more complex because he's going to go through quite a few of the tax bands. So he still has his £12,500 allowance, which is not taxed, that's at 0%. He has £2,085 that falls into the starter rate, £10,573 which falls into the basic rate, £18,272 in the intermediate rate, and the remaining £10,570 is in the higher rate, which is up to 41%. So 4 calculations this time. Means the total is £10,681.57. It's paying quite a lot of tax. How much national insurance will you have to pay? So again, £54,000, the same allowance, £40,508 within the 12% band, and he has £3,976, which has gone above that into the 2% band. Do those calculations, total them up, £4,940.48 of national insurance contributions per year. Okay. Now I'd like you to have a look at Task 2, Activity 1, the rest of that one that we filled out the table for earlier. You can complete them. Use the examples in this video as a structure for working out how much tax and national insurance you're going to have to work out for each question. Thank you.